So what we did here on the back of the Mustang is, being the Shelby that it is, it does have a rear body panel that covers the majority of this back here. However, you can see through certain sections of the panel. So what we did was a nice semi-gloss base coat, clear coat that, again, most of it covers up, but at least when you look at the rear body panel, it has that factory look and it's blacked out as it should be. We also went back around the vehicle. I wasn't unhappy. There was like 3 little small areas on the vehicle that I just wasn't happy with, especially for considering it's a restoration and knowing that the customer is spending quite a bit of money on the vehicle. So we buzzed it back down and took care of a few little areas, did my drop coat on it, and then re-cleared the entire vehicle with the Sikkens Superior 250, their Glamour Clear, which gives it the best look that we can achieve. And so we're also trying to maintain the factory texture on this. And in doing so, ideally all I have to do is go through, we'll de-nib, we'll show some polishing stuff later on, de-nib, hit a few spots, and then it should have a pretty close to a factory texture. And that's what the owner wanted on this. And then lastly, we also blacked out the dash area up here next to the VIN plate. Reason being is that's the look it's supposed to have. There's a couple of areas where you can see under and around the dash, in between the windshield. So not supposed to be blue, it's supposed to be semi-gloss black clear coat, which is what we've done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.